Hi, I'm Margaret, and today we're putting marzipan on top of the Christmas cake. I'm starting here with a little bit of rum, a final bit of moisture, and a final bit of rum flavour. I'm using golden marzipan today. I love that bright yellow colour on a Christmas cake. Kneading the marzipan will take a few minutes, but it's well worth it to get rid of all those cracks. We want a nice smooth dough for this. I'm going to need quite a bit of icing sugar here to stop the marzipan from sticking. A little bit more on top and a little bit on that rolling pin. And we'll roll it one way and then twist it round and roll it the other. If I keep doing this, I should keep quite a nice circle. It needs to be about 4 or 5 millimetres thick. Now, to make sure that the marzipan sticks to the cake, I'm going to use apricot jam as a glue. There, that should be enough. Then we turn the cake upside down in the centre of the marzipan and cut a little bit wider than the cake all the way around. That extra marzipan won't be wasted. I'm going to keep it in an airtight bag and use it for another recipe. Now let's get rid of all that extra icing sugar before we turn it over. A little piece of baking paper and on top, over we go. Let's press it round the sides to make sure it's firm and brush the top, and any little bits round the edge that haven't quite gone over, we can squeeze over. Finally, I'm going to brush some more apricot jam around the edges of the cake. This helps to seal the crumbs in for when I ice it, and also acts as a seal to help preserve the cake. I'll pop that into a tin for a few days so that it's nicely set. And in the next video, I'll show you how I ice and decorate it. Catch you soon.